All right, y'all, Philly D back. We got a 2021 Mazda CX30 with a 2.5 liter in it. I'm on an inspection drive, taking it for a test drive. Let's get out and check it out real quick. Now, this car got 22,000 miles on it, and I literally just replaced this windshield wiper motor. It didn't work at all. Like, it was getting power and everything to the motor, but the windshield wipers wasn't working. All right, and this is a 2020. Did I say 2021 or 2022? Fuck. I'm gonna walk all the way back in the car just to see. What is this? It's a 2021, y'all. Can y'all believe it though? Windshield wiper motor already don't work. Let's check out the front on this junk. It's a clean look, man. I always like the way these Mazdas look, honestly, but I never been a Mazda fan like that, so never thought about buying one. But that is a nice look. Let's take a walk around it real quick. It's like a hatchback slash station wagon slash crossover slash whatever you may think it looks like. It is all-wheel drive. All right, so y'all ain't gonna have an issue with getting out of snow and shit. Skyactiv G, I think that's the little, basically the fuel management they got in this car to help with the fuel economy, to stay efficient. All right, let's pop the hood real quick. Let's check out the engine real quick, then we'll get in the inside and check that out. Yeah, y'all, a window motor already on this car, 22,000 miles, y'all. I mean, that's not good. All right, here's the engine, and the window motor is right up under here, right up under there. I mean, it's pretty easy though. You just pop up the clip, pop up the plastic, take off the screws that holds in the wiper arms, pop those up, the motor right under there, come right out. Pretty simple. But for a 2021 car with only 22,000 miles on it, like, you shouldn't have any issues with something like that. Like, you know, I just think that's kind of crazy. Like, check the lights out. Lights is mean, right? But yeah, y'all, I know I told y'all before, like, just because you go buy a new car don't mean it's gonna work forever and shit is just gonna be better. You know, there's cars out there that's 20, 30 years old and never had a windshield wiper replaced. You know what I'm saying? Or a windshield wiper motor replaced. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? If you ask me, man, that's unexplainable. Like, there's no justifying why the hell that motor went bad. Like, that's just quality of Mazda, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I mean, what you guys think? I mean, that shouldn't have fell so soon like that. And these windshield wipers got like memory, you know, all types of tricks that these windshield wipers do, man. All that weird shit. That's why I don't like all those gadgets, man, because they break quicker. All right, let's check the inside out real quick, then I'm gonna get back to the shop. I don't got no memory seats. They go to display right there, the little entertainment system, your cluster, your different modes and shit. Sport, you got sport mode. Here's the key fob. I like the key fob, it's kind of cool. Here's your HVAC. I did not even see that until just now. Like, that is really discreet. All right, it is push to start. This has electronic parking brake. All right, there's a back, not much space, no sunroof, but it's a cool car though. Cool little car. The glove compartment. But what I'm gonna do is, I didn't video me doing that motor, but it's pretty easy. But what I'm gonna do is, I'll probably keep the motor itself, the whole assembly, and then one day I'll probably just show y'all, you know, what it's doing when it has power. Like, it's not functioning at all. It's just a dead motor. But I'll show y'all in a future video. But yeah, let me get back to the shop. I gotta put state stickers on now. Obviously, if your wipers aren't working, that's automatic failure for safety. So you need your windshield wipers, you know what I mean? So let me get back, smack some stickers on this John. It should be good. yeah, let me know what y'all think about these cars. Let me know what y'all think about how the motor fell so soon. Let me know what y'all think about that. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check y'all on the next one.